Hi, in this video, I will show you how to change your default search engine from Yahoo to Google in Google Chrome. First step is to open Google Chrome browser. Now type something in search. As you can see, the default search engine is Yahoo. To change search engine from Yahoo to Google on Chrome, click on three dots on the top right corner of the screen to open the Chrome menu. Now click on Settings. In Settings window, click on Search Engine on the left panel. You can see search engine used in the address bar is currently Yahoo. Now click on this drop-down menu and select Google as your default search engine. So click on Google. Now restart your Chrome browser. Type in a search query and hit enter. You can see the search results are now powered by Google. So you have successfully changed your default search engine from Yahoo to Google in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech related content.